Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link one of your contacts to a company in your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link a person or a contact to a company in your Attio CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, tracking your deals through Attio CRM, Attio is automatically going to connect that person to the company if their email domain matches the domain that they have on file with that company. But you can manually do this as well. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my Attio account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link a contact to a company, here on the left side, go ahead and click on people. Okay, once you click on people, go ahead and choose the contact that you want to link to a company. So for example, this one right here, and just click on their name. Once you do that, here on this top menu, you want to click on company. Once you do that, you want to click on this blue add company. Okay, here you can go ahead and search through the companies that you have inside of your Attio. So I'll go ahead and add them to, let's see, U-Haul. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see under the record details that this person is connected to U-Haul inside of my Attio CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect a person or a contact inside your Attio CRM to a company, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.